Removal of BMW E46 Rear door interior wiring harness. Before we begin, Step 1. Remove the window motor plug. Step 2. Remove the door frame plug. Step 3. Remove the plug by the latch. Step 4. Work free the white rivets. Step 5. Work free the black cable holder. Step 6. Push the large plug free. Step 7. Feed the wiring harness through. Our company's name is OCLS, an acronym for Old Car Life Extension Systems. We sell high-quality, used, OEM replacement BMW parts on eBay. The link in the description below lists parts that might be damaged or missing during the procedure just described.